Hello everybody, let's go back to May 1966. You only had black and white telly in those days. This is Romeo Mike Alpha 107 Delta, believed to be the oldest Ford Transit camper in the country, still on the road. And we are believed to be on some prime real estate here at the Practical Classics Classic Car Show 2022. We're in fantastic company today. We're on stand with the Transit Van Club. Now, the Transit Van originally released in the UK in October 1965, so you can work out, you do the maths. This is nigh on 60-year-old, and look at it, it is incredible. What a stunner. 70,754 miles. Now, if you were to check out Wikipedia to see what they said about transits, this is the Ford Transit that comes up. These are the pictures. You know, the more I look at this, I think it's possible to actually convert maybe your own transit van. That's a project for the future anyway. I believe that this is the Essex V4 Petrol 1.7, and my very first vehicle was actually a Ford Transit van. But this really is a quality finish here. Did you know that in 1972 the Met Police reported that Ford Transits were used in 95% of all bank raids? It was the perfect getaway vehicle and Britain's most wanted van. The Ford Transit Mark I was preceded by the Ford Thames, and in the opposition corner it was the Bedford CF. And this van was manufactured before the World Cup because that wasn't till July 1966. Number one in the charts at the time in May 66 was Manfred Mann. 1st of May for 3 weeks was Pretty Flamingo. And that black and white colour television question, well, BBC One launched a full colour service on the 15th of November 1969. So that will give you an idea how far ahead of its time this van actually was, and help you place it in the era. What would your Ford Transit playlist be? Let me know in the comments below. Now, since we're in good company with the Transit Van Club, there's another 2 transits. We can have a quick look at them just now. What one would be your favourite? Now, there are films on both of these vans. I'll put a Ford Transit playlist for you, and also vans at this show that you can have a look at. Both these vans are total head turners, and we also get that tailgate lifted up on the Motown Transit. And on the other Mark I over there, we get the back doors open and we have a good look round. So just let you have a wee look at these before we close. But I think all 3 of these transits actually fit the bill here at the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show. So there's some of the transits that we're going to be showing you on our playlist. You want to venture over, you're very welcome to do so. Thank you from myself, Stevo, and I'll catch you next time out. Toot toot, beep beep, see ya.